Hey, what's up guys? So I've been navigating the USDT generation space for about 5 years now, constantly evaluating different platforms, and honestly, Google and YouTube absolutely packed with fraudulent services. Like seriously, around 88% of what you see advertised is complete nonsense. Honestly, trustworthy platforms are vanishing fast, but Flash USDT is one of the rare legitimate ones. Been using them roughly 2 years now, and here's zero fake behavior. Interface stays clean and logical, reliability hasn't dropped. But here's how Flash USDT operates. You're generating tokens that appear identical to legitimate Tether in your wallet. Same visual branding, everything looks authentic. You can control the settings, transfer limits, duration before expiration, daily caps. Ideal for testing apps, observing real token behavior, experimenting with DeFi mechanics, completely without risking actual crypto.
All right, now let me demonstrate this. All right, so the app is up here. First choice is token quantity selection. 4 tiers available, each displays pricing and optimal use cases. Good, let's take this tier. Nice. Now I'm setting visibility duration, options from 1 hour up to 7 days, and in this scenario, I'm going with 6 hours. Good. Next, I input target address and select network for USDT generation. All right, choosing TRC20 here, then just switching to wallet, copying address, back to platform, pasting. Yeah, perfect. Everything aligns. Good. And final step is clicking Buy Flash. All right, 2 payment methods, direct send to their address or wallet connection. I'll choose first method. One moment. And yep, excellent. 100K tokens generated and sent, just waiting for balance confirmation. So while confirmation happens, let me break down what actually separates this platform from the absolute flood of garbage you see everywhere online.
The main thing that stands out after testing maybe 20 different services is that legitimate platforms don't hide anything. And this one shows everything up front: exact costs, clear restrictions, transparent duration specs. You know what you're getting before paying. Most scam services keep pricing deliberately vague and bury functionality under hype until after you've already paid. Beyond that, operational longevity matters enormously. I've watched countless platforms launch, run for 2 or 3 weeks collecting payments, then vanish completely. This one's maintaining consistent operations approaching a year with real growing community, actual users documenting experiences repeatedly, verified results posted publicly. The interface reveals legitimacy too. Scams either overcomplicate everything to hide missing functionality or keep it suspiciously basic because nothing real exists. This balances both properly: professional without being flashy, functions as advertised, delivers features without fake promises. Most importantly though, genuine blockchain integration. Every transaction is verifiable through public explorers, not its isolated dashboard numbers like fake services show. You're interacting with actual smart contracts, real network confirmations. That's independently verifiable proof.
Blockchain technology is becoming standard infrastructure everywhere. Understanding basics isn't optional niche knowledge anymore. It's practical literacy everyone needs. Problem is, fear of expensive mistakes keeps people from learning. This platform solves that. Real hands-on experience with zero financial risk. You just learn transaction mechanics, understand wallet operations, recognize errors safely before handling actual assets. It's like practicing driving in empty parking lots instead of highway traffic immediately. Build skills where the stakes are educational, not costly. Plus, most testing platforms are scams because people expect learning to cost money anyway, so they don't question when platforms deliver nothing substantial. Warning signs are always there though. Vague descriptions, no verifiable blockchain activity, pressure tactics, fake urgency, generic testimonials. This platform has none of that. Straightforward explanations, publicly verifiable transactions, zero pressure, consistent pricing, specific varied user feedback from real experiences. So, links in pinned comment and description. Let me know your experience.